What up, y'all? It's your boy June, and we are on Sunday, day 2 of the RIVA excursion. We are at John Penny Camp, about to go hit the Christ of the Abyss, and check it out. I've never been there, so it's gonna be dope. We're gonna dive down and do a bunch of exploring around there. A lot of history around that statue also, but we're gonna go check it out with Florida ski riders. We're about to do our thing. Let's go. Look how many jet skis are in a little mangrove canal in Keylargo. I believe this was a no wake zone. A lot of wake. A lot of wake. Woo, surfing. It's taking forever to get out there. The Christ of the Abyss. That way. We'll get there though. Choppy. Jump another wave. Finally made it. Alright guys, so we made it to the Christ Abyss, and the problem is right now is that there's too many jellyfishes in the water to get in the water. On top of that, look, jellyfish. Everywhere. On top of that, it's mad choppy out here. You can see everybody. It's kind of bobbing and weaving. It's real choppy. Look at that. Yeah, that's gonna get a little crazy. I'm not getting in there. I wanted to see the Christ. I wanted to see the Christ. Crazy. No, I'm not going in it. There's too many jellyfishes, man. I'm not trying to find out. They're all over the place though. Jellyfish everywhere. Jellyfish heaven here. Wow. very sharp. Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, baby. My top of mangroves. Yes! That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Yes! He said, I'm sticking the boat through this. Fuck that. My boy Danny brought his boat through here. Is it a dead end?
Just shut it off.
What?
Shut it off. We're gonna wait on Danny. It got hectic. Yeah, I have it strapped, so it ain't going nowhere. Who said you couldn't take a flats boat through the mangroves? Wow. Going in the mangroves, we're going to explore. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, did that hurt? Oh, did that hurt? Oh, ouch. Ow, ow, ow. That's what I deserve. Shouldn't be back here. Ow. Do it. My drink is floating in the water. Oh boy. Fucking grip.
house, and we are now getting ready to attempt to pull my hat out of the intake crate. My buddy Andres is helping me out, and check out the video, guys. Crazy. If you don't believe me, watch me pull, well, watch Andres pull this hat out of my intake crate. It's just unbelievable.
Mira a ver si prende ahora. Dale.
Vamos para el agua.
Gotta hit him with poor quality hats.
No, that's a good quality hat, bro.
Get grip.
So that's what was stuck in my impeller. The hat that I lost.
Let's see something real quick. Let's see how it looks now when you put it on.
Now you gotta put it on like this. Hey, now that's the trail hat right there.
What?
She is mangrove.
Oh shit. End of the video. Riva excursion was a blast. Florida ski rides, we did it again. 2020. This guy. 2020. Everybody's hauling butt. We getting out of keylargo. I'll be here one more day to adventure, but guys, check out the video. I had a blast. We hit the mangroves and I sent it. So awesome time. We out. What's wrong? Oh. Ow.
I seen that coming.
Got him. Got him. He got me. He got me.
He told me he was gonna get you and
I
drop
told
you.
him before you going home, I'm
I'm over here recording him and he got me.
I heard all about this.
You got
You alright?
You alright over there? Okay.
You got me good.
You got to throw up? You good?
I made my
Oh,
He got that.
Danny hit me in the nuts. Oh, payback. See, I got him, he got me.
You okay? Gladys, your man